Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I now have 7 solar panel hooked up. I got a lot more time on the computer. Of course, it's a little hazy, but a lot more sun than I have been getting the last couple days. So, I got to show you the connectors. And the wind generators are just doing so good. There's some other solar panels back there. Those are grid tied. You got the connectors on here. If you get the connectors like this, you got 3 going in or 4 going in like that. These are the best. So when you have to use the tool for the disconnect, because these lock in, then these are a lot easier to get to. This is really cool. And I have this. That's overkill down there, but that was hooked up out back. They were far away from the garage for the grid tie. Then I got these coming in over here. I don't know if you can see all that. Maybe that looks like a mess. But that goes into the basement to the 4 batteries. So I can get one more of these blues for 480 volts. They're 120 each, totaling 480 volts. And the charge controller goes up to 500 watts. So that'll be it for that one charge controller. There's more room on those on a different charge controller, but I don't have a lot of room for those. Those are only 45 watts. And I need another charge controller before I can bring these up. This is 245 watts. But I don't have a charge controller for that. This one has its own inverter on the back. I don't have it connected right now. It's got its own mini inverter right there. And that goes, I don't know if you can see that plug. That plugs right into an extension cord. We'll have that up in another day or 2 probably. That's a grid tie system. Alright, just thought I'd show you real quick. 7 solar panels, taking the house off grid, slowly but surely. I'm not going to show you the solar pool heater today, but alright. Click on subscribe, click on that little bell so you don't miss anything. Have a good day.